Hello, my name is Asia Barrett, and I'm originally from Cleveland, Ohio. My interests include um, art, fashion, community, volunteering. I also like to work out. My work experience, the bulk of my work experience was at um, the North Carolina Department of Public Safety. I was a correctional officer for 10 years before deciding to go to school full time. After I complete my degree, I would love to get a job in marketing and eventually open up my own marketing firm. Currently, I have been working to grow my Instagram page, so I watch like the algorithms and everything like that because they say that your first business should always be yourself. Either that or opening up an art gallery, especially to help out minority artists, not just racial minority, but even women. Um, my computer experience has been work, school, and personal, but the majority of it has been for school. Um, I would, from this course, I would like to get a better grasp of how to use computer applications, especially in not just for work, but for my own personal use. Um, Anything else to know about me? I have two children. My daughter is 10 and my son is 7, Angel and Andrew. And they're my motivation for going to school. It's something I've always wanted to do, but even more so now because I have them. So a lot of times, if I have activities on campus, like when I was at Wesleyan or even when I was at Vance Granville, I would take them along because I'm a first generational college student and I don't want it to end with me. I want them to get their education, but I also want them to be financially literate. For me, it's about breaking generational curses. So that's me.